Okay na yung doon na yan.
Ilaw na ilaw pa doon.
Okay, Pedeya. Ba't yan, Sen? Puro nga birya Yubi ah.
Yubi, ano ba? Buha, bigyan ka na lang ah.
Pwede mo ita-break? Ano yan?
Let's start the program. Welcome to 2024 Super Division Championship Round. And now, let's begin with Team NPC. Wearing jersey number 1, Gallagher. Wearing jersey number 2, Jael Garcia. Wearing jersey number 3, Alice Buchel. Wearing jersey number 5, Nico Sayers. Wearing jersey number 6, Victor Esquero. Wearing jersey number 7, Reynaldo Alcor. Wearing jersey number 9, Jimmy Sion. Wearing jersey number 11, Anthony Bautista. Wearing jersey number 12, Don Prado. And last but not the least, wearing jersey number 10, Michael Molina. And now, let's present to you Multinational. Wearing jersey number 1, OJ Martinez. Wearing jersey number 2, Michael Cuneta. Wearing jersey number 2, Don Mendoza. Wearing jersey number 4, RJ Goma. Wearing jersey number 6, Mike Ma. Wearing jersey number 9, Robert Castillo. Wearing Catalyst, wearing jersey number 5, Ryan Navarro. Let's get ready. Let's start the bubble. And Pusha, Philippine Unified Sports Official, let's welcome Mr. Rafael Delmar, our crew chief for tonight, and upper one, Mr. Delpo Valenzuela, and upper two, Mr. Edward Olario. Okay players, konting briefing lang tayo para sa ating officials.
Orang natin. Sana? DIY ah. Mamaya kay Calvo, pre, natulog ko sa mukha. Ginawa talaga. Send up, send. Mamaya sin ito. Dapat dito yung ginamit rin. Pem. Udak. Game.
Alright. Umpisa na ang bakbakan. Multinational versus Team MPC.
Purok 7 versus Purok 7. Soy, T! Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo, Soy. Matibay kasi yung number 5 niya, bro. Nabarro.
Combo between number 5 and number 10. Martinez. Number 5 still move. Go through. Go. Number 9 put back. No good. Lopez. Natapitan. Number 5. Shot clock. Molina, pass to number 2. Esguerra, yes sir. Esguerra. Martinez, 4-2. No. There's Molina. Pass to Idol Anthony. No good. Number 2, no good. Tapikan.
Soy, TV
7
Sumido!
second shot clock. Salsi, yes sir. Basket 2. Number 5 spin, natapikan. Punti Martinez. Kanta na pasa. Wow! May kasama pang count. Basket 2, yes sir. Basket, foul by number 5. Hit by the arms. Last bonus shot. And one. No good. Celsi, pass to Molina, to Celsi. Pass to Anthony Bautista. Pass to number 2, Bertrand, no, Garcia, no good. It's number 5. Pass to Martinez on the baseline. Kinaliwa, wala. Garcia, may tama ng bola. Esguera, pull-up jump, no good. Garcia nagpasabit. At ang sumabit ay si number 9. First foul, number 9. First goal by Garcia. Or last, Celsi. Yes, sir. Celsi. Number 10. Whoa! What a shot by number 9. Yes, sir. Happy you did it. Molina with the first teammate. Pass to Garcia. Back to Molina. Pass to Anthony Bautista. No good. That's number 9. Pass to number 5. Try for 3. Bang! Number 5, 3. Molina. Set up. Pass to Celsi. Try for 2. Bang! Yes, sir. 9-7. Official score. MAH, pass to Martinez. Martinez, 3! Molina, try for 3. Bang! Molina, 3 points. Bakbakan sa 3 points. Lopez, natapitan ni Molina. Loose ball foul by number 10, Lopez. Diamond Multinational. This time it is brought to you by McDonald's Moonwalk. Molina for throwing. Molina, pass to Esguera. Sa ilalim, block by number 10. And this block is brought to you by Bulkasir. Isang tapal ka lang, tapos kang butas ka. Bautista, Anthony, no good. Number 3, pass to Navarro. Navarro number 5. Ganda naman yan! Nagpasabit! Foul by Celsi. Number 5. Second personal foul. Dalawa na sa Celsi. 2 free throws by number 5. Yes, sir. Coach. Last throw by number 5. Yes, sir. 100% ang ginawa ni Navarro nun. Molina. Pass to Garcia. Garcia pumihit. Tatawagan si Lopez. Foul by number 10. Two free throws by Garcia. First throw, yes sir. Last throw by Garcia. No good. Chelsea. Pull up jump. No good. Tapikan. Napulot ng Molina. Molina in the corner. No. There's Anthony Bautista. Idol. Foul by number 3. Nice over referee Rafael Delmar. Two free throws by Bautista. First try. Yes sir.
Araw-araw sipag na yun. Araw-araw sipag lang.
Last throw by Bautista. No good. Tapikan. Number 10 to Navarro. Navarro against Garcia. No good. Chelsea for big rebound.
Court to court.
Chelsea. Simple. Official score 14-12. 2-point leads by Team MPC. Molina. Pass to Garcia. Back to Molina. To Bautista. Bautista. Travel play. Bang! Bautista. 3. First Mendoza. Pass to Navarro. Navarro number 5. Pass to MAH. Pass to number 3. Number 3. No good. Tapikan. Kanya pa rin. Number 10. And in out. Sayang naman. Number 10. Pass to number 9. Tapikan. Natapik ni Idol. Shot clock down to 9. 9 seconds. Shot clock. Mendoza. Pass to number 10. Now good. Simbo. Shot clock down to 3. 3 seconds. Navarro. Pass to number 3. Short. Navarro. Yes sir. Alit. Molina. Molina drives. Pass to Bautista. For short. Number 9. Pass break. To Navarro. Boom. Basket. May kasama pang foul. Basket. Foul number 11. Hit by the arms. And one, Navarro. Yes sir. And one play by Navarro. Yes sir.
Stop. Ready, drama.
Molina.
Dito ka.
Triple play. Molina. Bang! Molina to win. Mendoza against Molina. Pass to number 9. Pass to Navarro. Navarro. Pinapunta ni Bautista. Pass to number 10. For 3. Lopez. Nagpasabit. May kasama pang foul. Basket. Foul number 2. Garcia. Last bonus shot. Substitution. Patugtugin ang tambol. Number 10, warning for taking a foul. Yes, sir. Coach number 9. Swan. Swan. Good. Esquera. Put back. Yes, sir. Esquera. Coach Navarro. Navarro on the baseline. Magpasabit. Foul is committed by number 12. Black and foul. Last free throw. Substitution. Substitution. Martinez in. Cuneta in. Coach Navarro. Yes, sir. Last throw by Navarro. Yes, sir. 2 points basket. Number 12, set up the play. Pass to Aris Bukay. Good play. No. Esguerra. Pull up jump. On the side. Bukay. Boom. Basket. Bukay. Coach number 2. Pass to Martinez. Martinez J. Nice run. Stolen by Prado. Oh, stolen by Navarro. Number 9. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Aris Bukay. Throw. Short. Good rebound by number 6. Pass to number 9. Pass to Navarro. Navarro. Number 10. Navarro. Nawala ang bola. Both teams are in penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation. Team MPC. Navarro basket is good. Yes, sir. Last try. Yes, sir. 2 points basket. Coach Suwan. Number 9. Suwan. Suwan. Pass to Esguerra. Oh! Stolen by Navarro. Pass to number 9 against Esguerra. Yes, sir. Number 9 basket is good. Yes, sir.
Rick, reserve timeout.
Suwan. Number 9. Pass to Aris Bukay. Against number 9. Bukay nakawala. Pull up, in and out. Esguerra, pull back. Esguerra again. Pass to Celsi. Celsi, pass to Aris Bukay. Travel, no. Number 12, no good. Blocked by Martinez. Esguerra against number 2. Cuneta to Celsi. Yes, sir. Celsi. Official score 26-28. Abante na ang multinational ng 2 puntos. Navarro, 3 points. Timeout. MPC. And this timeout is brought to you by Jollibee, Sapang Chicken Joy.
Ay, sabihin mo. Lima.
Let's back to the ball game.
31-26.
Uy, tubuhin nga pala sa ating kaibigan, Joel Bulaong and Hennessy Buluran. And Prado, dribbling the ball, set up the play, pass to Esguerra. Esguerra to Zuan, blocked by number 10, Lopez. And this block is brought to you by Burkasil, blocked again by Lopez. 8 seconds. Navarro. Nagpasada. Arrow shot by Navarro. Navarro. And at the first period, official score 26-33. 7-point leads by Team Multinational. Ang laro ito ay natin sa inyo ng Jollibee sa Pang Chicken Joy. Yes, ang tabayaran po natin ang susunod na game for Junior Division San Agustin versus Showtime. Bakbakan talaga yan mamaya. First Aris Bukay. May tangan ng bola. Pass to Garcia. Garcia. Nawala. Number 1. Kapulo ng bola. Zuan. Pass to Garcia. Block by number 6. Shot clock down to 5. 5-second shot clock. Aris Bukay. Yes, sir. Aris Bukay. That's number 2. Dribbling the ball. Set up the blade. Ate. Bukay natin. Cuneta. Wala. Celsi to rebound. Celsi, David. First number 4. Pass to Lopez. Oh! Foul committed by number 1. Nice goal by referee Edward Olano. Number 6 for inbound. Pass to number 4. Try for 3. No. Garcia, nakabutang bola. Foul by number 2, Cuneta. Suwan for throw-in. Pass to Celsi. Pass to Garcia. Garcia. Yes, sir. Garcia. Number 2. Pinababang bola. Cuneta. Against Bukay. Pass to Lopez. Lopez. Hold it. Foul was committed by number 9. Pushing foul. Tapi ng bola. Celsi. Pass ball to Aris Bukay. Hindi naabot. Cuneta. To Lopez. Pull up jumper. Bang! Lopez! Warning number 2 from Multinational. Cuneta. Warning for technical Cuneta. Celsi. Pass to Aris Bukay. Behind the back. Suwan. Pull up. Wow! Suwan! Number 2, Cuneta. Herbs. Tapi ka ng bola. Celsi, nakabuli ng bola. Stolen by Celsi. Suwan. Oh! Stolen by Navarro. Navarro. Foul is committed by Garcia. Number 2. Substitution. Substitution. First foul by Navarro. Yes, sir. Last try by Navarro. Yes, sir. Two-post basket. Chelsea. Pass to Aris Bukay. Aris Bukay for three, short. Here's Lopez. Pass to Navarro. Navarro against Ora. Black and foul number 1. Omar.
Good foul. Good foul.
Second personal foul by Omar. Number 1. Lopez to Gomez. David. Aris Bukay to Garcia. Yes, sir. Garcia. There's Navarro. Yes, sir. Navarro. That's number 1. Omar. Pass to Suwan. Suwan against Mendoza. Suwan for two. Yes, sir. Suwan. Number 2, Mendoza. Drop pass to number 4. Pass to Lopez. Lopez. Oh, number 9. Yes, sir. Nice assist by number 3, Lopez. Here's Omar. Aris Bukay. Wala. Here's Navarro. Navarro. 2-1. Oh! Basket. May kasama bang foul? Basket foul number 9. Suwan. Substitution. Second personal foul number 9. Official score 36-43. Whoa! Basket good. 100% by Navarro. Omar against Mendoza. Looking for his teammates. Pass to Garcia. Garcia, black tayo number 9. Ganda ng depensa nun. Whoa! Omar! Stolen by Suwan. Suwan. Pass to Omar. Pass to Garcia. Garcia, spin. Substitution. First throw by Garcia. No good. Last try, basket by Garcia. 39-44. Abante pa rin ang 5 points. Ang multi. Wow! Nadagdagan na naman. Navarro. Yes, sir. 7-point leads by Multinational.
Time out! Time out!
Timeout! NPC.
Eh, paano naging bola ito? Sumabali niya ba yun?
Different angle, different view.
Warning for technical. Coach from NPC. Number 12, third personal foul. Molina, try for three, bang! Molina, three! Number 3, set up the play. Mendoza, pass to number 4 for three, no! Number 9, reverse, no good. Second shot clock. Number 5 na pare. Sayang naman. Foul is committed by number 11. Number 11, second personal foul. First foul by Navarro. Basket is good. Last try, no good. Oh, stolen by Navarro. Navarro against Chelsea. Navarro for two. Yes, sir. Navarro. Garcia. Drop pass to Bautista. Yes, sir. Bautista. Mendoza. Navarro. Foul is committed by number 5. Number 5. Third personal foul. Chelsea. Tatlo na yun. Coach. Navarro, yes sir. 44-56. Official score. 12-point lead by Multinational. Prado. Mendoza. Wala. Kanya pa rin, no? Substitution. Technical bench continues complaining.
Huminto! Kitang-kita niya, huminto!
Number 6, Esta Mendoza. Gomez na kapitan. Penalty direct. Penalty. Navarro, unang tira basket. Pass through by Navarro. Busto. Martinez in. Push Molina. Pass to Garcia, triple three, no. Di kaya. Substitution. Mendoza, pass to number 9. Number 6 to left. Put back, number 6, yes sir. Molina. Try for 3. No. Garcia, put back, wala. Esguera, for 2, nagkasabit. Foul by number 9. Number 9, tatlo na. Third personal foul. Esguera unang tira sa Blay. Last try by Esguera. Yes sir. Substitution. Mendoza. Basta Cuneta. Kapitan agawan. Mismo foul by Cuneta. Number 2, third personal foul. Tatlo na rin. First half pa lang tayo. Nagtatatlo na yung foul nyo. Esguera. Pass to Prado. Prado, number 12. For 2, no. Tanya pa rin. Prado, put back, no good. Esguera, put back. Yes, sir. Esguera. Cuneta. Pass to Mendoza. Number 4, for 3. No. Shot clock down to 6. Aris Bukay for big rebound. Pass to Molina. To Garcia. No. Mendoza. Na kapitan. Shot clock reset. Kickball violation. Number 4 for 3 on the corner. No. Cuneta. Pass to Navarro. Navarro. Pinapitan na. Foul number 6. Esguera. First foul by Esguera. First foul by number 5, Navarro. Yes, sir. Last throw by Navarro. Yes, sir. Nine out of 10, you know. Molina. Esguera. Drop pass to Garcia. Hold it. Metawin sa red. Foul number 2. Illegal use of hands.
Penalty. Coach.
Number 2, Cuneta. Warning for foul daw. 4 na. Dalawa na kayong tagtatatlo kanina. First foul by Garcia. No good. Last try by Garcia. No good again. Tapi ka ng bola. Puluti Cuneta. Cuneta. 3 versus 2. Team natin ang sabaw. Sayang naman. Bulalo pa naman. Fran Joliat. Number 12, Prado, no good. Esguera, put back. No good again. Cuneta, pass to Mendoza. To Navarro. Navarro drives. Wobbling. Wobbling violation. Here's 2-1. Tapitan. Move to basketball. Here's Aris Buhay for Bulgasin. Timeout Multinational. And this timeout is brought to you by Jollibee, Sabaw Chicken Boy, and McDonald's Moonwalk. Official score 63-49. 63-49. Abante pa rin ang Multinational. Seconds. Gomez. Pass to Lopez. Lopez against Chelsea. Pass to Mendoza. Try by play. Put back, number 6. David. Kanya pa rin. Block. Navarro. Yes, sir. And at the first half, second period, inabig sa inyo ng McDonald's Moonwalk. Let's start the third period. NPC versus Multinational. Mendoza. Navarro. Rapatan ni Suwan. Kapitan Lopez. Wala. Chelsea, puro derecho. 3 versus 1. Chelsea, wala. Esguera, put back. Yes, sir. First to make 2 points by Esguera para sa third period. Official score is 51-65. Foul is committed by Aris Bukay. Number 3. Navarro. Pass to Navarro number 5. NPC basketball. Chelsea, pass to Suwan. Suwan. Pass to Aris Bukay. Postera. Wala pa rin. Chelsea nakabulot ng bola. Aris Bukay, pull-up jumper, in and out. Kapitan, number 1. Suwan on the baseline. Portelo. Aris Bukay, pull back. Foul is committed by number 6. Number 6 nila na. First personal foul. Aris Bukay ulang tira, yes sir. Basket is lead. Last try by Aris Bukay. No good, Kapitan. Esguera, nakapulot ng bola. Mendoza against Aris Bukay. Pass to number 6. Number 6, Trevor Quino. Molina against Mendoza. Esquera, yes sir. Esquera. Lopez, zero to play. Pass to Navarro. Trevor play, yes sir. Navarro, Coach Molina, may tama ng bola. Pass to Aris Bukay. Trevor play, bang! Aris Bukay, 3 points. Yes sir. Bakbakan na sa 3 points to. Mendoza, pass to Lopez. Lopez, 4-2, no. Tapika, number 1, Chelsea, nakabulot ang bola. 3 versus 1, Chelsea, yes sir. 59-68. Number 9. Pass to Lopez. Pull up, no good. Hold it. Loose ball foul, number 9. Number 9. Third personal foul. Tatlo ka na rin. Correction. Warning for foul out pala si number 9. Para sila ni Coneta. Molina. Set of the play. Pass to Prado. Prado, Trevor 3, go. Good rebounds by Coneta. Coneta. Pass to number 4, no. Esguera to Molina. Molina, dire-diretso. Molina. Easy na yan, yes sir. Molina. Coach Navarro, tulad Capo, no good. Navarro, spin, steal by Selgi. Selgi, Bertino, Molina, to Bukay, yes sir. Aris Bukay. Coneta, pass to Lopez. Spin. Lopez, pull up, yes sir. Lopez! Esguera, binabugan bola. Sarap na play by Esguera. 10-second shot clock. Esguera, 22, no. Number 6 by good rebound. 5 minutes, 37 seconds. Molina. Pass to Esguera. Natapitan. Sendo. Esguera controlling. Pass to Chelsea. Chelsea against Lopez. Chelsea, no good. Good rebound by Navarro. Navarro, dire-diretso. Foul is committed by Molina. Molina, number 10. Number 10, first personal foul. Substitution, Altar in. Coneta, nawala bola. Altar, wala. Garcia.
Rick, may saba.
Navarro, set up the play. Against Aris Bukay. Push and foul, Aris Bukay. Substitution. Number 3, Aris Bukay. Second personal foul. Magulo ka talaga. El Amparo. Gomez for 3, no. Gomez for 2, yes sir. Gomez! Altar. Oh! Intercept by number 3. Mendoza to Navarro. Nagpasagad pa. Basket. Foul by number 7. Pushing down. Last bonus shot. Nice goal by referee. Goal for Valenzuela. And one by Navarro. Yes sir. And one play. Basket is deep. Number 7, Altar. May kaka ng bola. Pass to Aris Bukay for 2. Nagpasabit. Net naman sa pasabit nun. Navarro. Sila na. First personal foul. Three free throws by Aris Bukay. Post try. Yes sir. Basket is good. Second throw by Aris Bukay. Yes sir. First basket. Last try by Aris Bukay. No good. Kapitan Lopez. Pass to Mendoza. Number 4, in and out. Garcia na for big rebound. Altar. Aris Bukay for shot. Number 1, no good. Obar Garcia, no good again. Sensi, put back, wala pa din. Sayang naman. Here's Mendoza. The pass to Navarro. Timeout, team and PC. This timeout is brought to you by Coca-Cola and Jollibee. Oras natin 3 minutes 29 seconds. Para sa third period. Bumababa na sa 10 kalamangan ang lamang ng multi, 67-77. Over. Spin. Over. Sayang naman. Nalito yung kalaban na din. Navarro. Natapikan. Altar. To Over. Back to Altar. Pass to Bautista. Pass to Garcia. Garcia. Penetrate. Oh, block by Lopez. This block is going to by Pugasi. Chelsea, no good. Over. Pass to Bautista. Travel play. Bang! Bautista. Lopez, pass to Mendoza, travel play, bang! Mendoza, 3! Palitan lang talaga ng 3 points. Number 7, Altar. Pass to Garcia. Ayan na naman. Wala. Ito na, Mendoza. Pass point. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Coach Bautista. Pass to Chelsea. Chelsea drives. Fires to number 4. Gomez. Substitution. Tain. Esguera in. Substitution.
Vincent, yung mga sa entrance, palipatin mo sa pasabi mo. Yung mga nasa
Trail Garcia. Pass to Bautista. Bautista Anthony. Esguera for 3. Yes, sir. Esguera. Coach Mendoza. Bring down the ball. Set up the lane. Pass to Lopez. Lopez against Chelsea. Double team. Mendoza. Double 3. Bang! Mendoza. 3. Back-to-back 3 points na si Mendoza rin. Zuan. Pass to Bautista. Ito na naman. Bang! Bautista. 3. Palitan silang dalawa. Coach Mendoza again. Pass to Gomez. David. Over. Nakabulit ang bola. Pass to Bautista. Bautista. In and out. Chelsea put back. Wala pa rin. Tapping down. Napulit ni Chelsea. Esguera on the side. Tapping down. Napunta Gomez. Boom. Basket. Yes, sir. Zuan. 10 seconds. Block by number 6. This block is ready by Jokasi. Basket move by Zuan. And that's the first period. Official score is 77-87. 10-point leads by Team Multinational.
Yaga, palipatin yung mga dito. Pa-announce yung mga nasa entrance. Ipit namin dito para sa kabilang side.
Yung mga tao po na nanonood po sa entrance, pasok po kayo. Baka magkalaglagan kayo dyan. Eto na, dito na malalaman kung sino ang magka-champion ngayong gabi. FPC versus Multinational. Yan, magandang laban. Bakbakan na to. Pag-period. Aris Bugay. Naitangan ng bola. Garcia, Ratas, Bautista. Ay, nawala ang bola. Sayang naman. Gomez. Set up the play. Pass to Cuneta. Back to Gomez. Hesitate. Mendoza, no good. Wow! Put back by number 6. Mahal. There's Garcia. Garcia, pass to Bautista. Penetration! Hahabulin ka talaga ni Bautista. Ang tira niya. Apakasipag. Cuneta against Esguera. Boneta, pass to Mendoza. Drop pass to Lopez, serving, sayang naman. Eto na, Bautista, dire-diretso. Stolen by Boneta, pass to Gomez, pull up, using the glass, no. Lopez, put back, yes sir, Lopez. Garcia.
Rick, sabang.
Garcia, Bertolo. Gomez, nadulas. Madulas pa rin, madulas. Matubig, wala. Estera, nagkasabit. At ang sumagot ay si number 6. Pushing down. Substitution. Substitution, Castillo in. And one play. In and out. Sayang naman. Gomez sa side. Yes sir. Gomez. Official score 79-93. Abante na ng 14 kalamangan ang multi. Aris Bukoy. Pumulina. Number 9. Kapitan ng bola. Matulog ni Molina. Molina, pass to Esguera. Esguera towards Bugay. Kapitan na gawan. Number 9, pass away to Navarro. To Thomas. Agawan ng bola. Philip Navarro. Travel play short. Substitution. Substitution. Suwan E. Molina, Sarah the play. Prado. Block by Lopez. This block is scored by Bulgasil. Santapa ka lang, tapos kan butas ka. Ay! Kick ball violation. Mendoza, pass to Lopez. To Gomez, for 3 lane. Foul by Gomez. Holding foul. Second personal foul, number 4. Second team fouls. Prado. Nawalan bola. Esguera. Yes sir. Esguera.
Ay puta. Sorry po.
Time to shoot. Time to shoot.
Warning po, second motion.
Official score 81-93.
Second emotion.
Number 5, warning.
Or second emotion.
for second motion. Molina. Spin. Loose ball foul by number 10, Molina. Number 10, third. Personal foul. First personal foul, number 10, Molina. Substitution. Navarro. On the baseline. Oh! Number 9, no good. Sayang naman. Paul Gomez, number 4. Apat natin. Number 4, third. Personal foul. 13 foul. Zuan to Molina. Back to Zuan. Zuan for 2. Go. Navarro. Pinapitan na. Paus kumutog by Molina. Number 10. Number 10. Warning for foul down. Apat ka na, Molina.
Bakit dyan? Kayo hindi ka natakpa yung camera. Anak ng to.
Number 3, Mendoza. Sarap the play. Shot clock down to 8. Down to 5. Down to 2. Gomez! Gomez! Sensi? Levitt? Prado? Yes, sir. Prado! 5 minutes, 15 seconds. Mendoza. Pass to Navarro. Fouls committed by number 12. Push it out, Prado. Number 12, warning for foul down. Laban tayong penalty, ha? Navarro, yes sir. Navarro. Zuan. Foul is committed by number 4, Gomez. Gomez, warning for foul down. Warning for penalty Gomez. Substitution. Warning for penalty Gomez. Substitution. 83-97. 14-point leads by Team Multi. Prado, pull up, in and out. Prado, kumaliwa, wala, kanya pa rin. Shot clock down to 10. 10 shot clock. Prado, pull up, wala, kakaya butike. Navarro to Gomez, yes sir. Esguera. Pass to Aris Buday, for 3, no. But we won by number 6. Pass break, Gomez. Pass to Navarro. Pass to number 11, third personal foul. Timeout, MPC. free throws by Navarro. First try basket is good. Last try
Score mo, Rick. 100.
by Navarro. In and out. Esguera. Esguera for two. Yes, sir. Esguera. Lopez. Set up a play against Garcia. Oh, stolen by Esguera. Esguera derecho. Boom. Multinational basketball. Bones against Chelsea. Navarro. Pass to Castillo. No good. Lost ball foul by Castillo. Penalty. Number 9, fouled out. Castillo fouled out. Two free throws by Chelsea USA. First try basket is good. Last try by Chelsea. No good again. Whoa, Chelsea basket. Yes, sir. Chelsea. Mendoza, to Navarro. Navarro against Bautista. Penalty Betis. Foul by number 11. Number 11 rolling for foul ball. Both teams are in penalty. Bona. Batista. Pass to Aris Bubaba. Aris Bubaba. Timeout to Multi. Sampu na lang ang abante ng Multi National kontra NBC. 91-101.
Para representative.
Coach, mga tao natin, coach, ha? Mendoza to Navarro. Navarro. Whoa! Navarro on the baseline. Hold it. Wobbling violation. Nice hold by referee Rafael Delman. Substitution. Hintayin niyo yung whistle ng ating referee. Pasok kayo ng pasok. Chelsea. Pass to Esguera. Pull up. Yes, sir. Esguera. Mendoza. To Cuneta. Cuneta. Blocked by Chelsea. This block is brought to you by Bucasi. Lopez. Pull up down. Tapos. Palad. First Garcia. Pass to Esguera. Esguera to Cruz. Esguera.
Anim na lang.
95-101. Anim na lang abante ng Multinational. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by Coca-Cola. Foul is committed by Esguerra. Number 6, second personal foul. Penalty both teams have. Second play by the battle. Yes, sir. Basa. Sutro.
Dito ako natitimap.
Bago yan ang map. May mapata dyan.